If you need to block someone on Coinbase, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account remains secure and your interactions are managed effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Coinbase account by entering your credentials on the official website or mobile app. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option. This is usually found in the profile menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon in the upper corner of the screen. Step 3. Access the privacy section. Within the settings menu, look for the privacy or security section. This area contains options related to your account's security and interactions with other users. Step 4. Find blocked users. In the privacy section, search for an option that mentions blocked users or user management. This will allow you to view any existing blocks and the option to add new ones. Step 5. Block the user. Enter the username or email address of the person you wish to block. Confirm your action when prompted to ensure that the user is successfully blocked from contacting you or interacting with your account. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your interactions on Coinbase. Always remember to review your account settings regularly for any updates or changes.